I'm everything, there ain't nobody perfect. Sounding in my mind. Makes me think I'm everything, there ain't nobody perfect. Ain't nobody perfect. Ain't nobody perfect. Ain't nobody perfect. Ain't nobody perfect.
Hey there guys, how's it going? It's your DCS right back again in another video. So this time I've got the Hot Wheels series back. But before we get into this, I want to talk about the previous video which I uploaded, because that wasn't the Hot Wheels series and it was really cool. It was the diecast series, guys. 132 scale pullback action metal car. So that was a Corvette. Yes, not your average Corvette, but it was the C6R, the Chevy Corvette C6R, a really cool Le Mans race car and extremely loud Le Mans race car. If you want to know more, check it out. It'll be up in the screen right here because I won't say more. It had a lot of detailing. So yeah, moving on to today's video, today's Hot Wheels series. It's got 8 out of 10 in HW Hot Trucks, because it's a really cool and hot truck, and it's not the same without the Hot Wheels flame. This right here is the 72 Ford Ranchero, guys. A very classic stance truck. It's very simple design. I really like that. And also this truck confused me with its front end, because it resembles the 1972 Ford Gran Torino at the front, but when I looked at it at the back, oh, it's different. It's a pickup. So I just really got confused with that. It actually shares the same front end with the the Gran Torino. So yeah, it's quite confusing right there, but it also looks good in the truck form too. I really like that. So okay, let's talk about its detailings and the looks and details. For now, well, let's go for the quiz. The quick quiz is back. So I'm gonna say the question now. Okay, when was the first gas car made? Yeah, the gas-driven car made. So when was it made? Comment your answers down below. I'll check them out in the next week's video. So let's go for the unboxing now. And now, going for the looks and details of the 72 Ford Ranchero, guys. So, at first I want to say that how smooth and slick this car is. It's so damn smooth, guys, even though it lacks a lot of detailings, but it's really cool. I like the simple design on this truck. And you've got the blacked out interior, which I can't describe much about it. It's pretty good, I guess. And at the rear, you haven't got much. You have no tail lamp detailing. And the exhausts are pretty tiny over there, right here. And at the bottom, you've got the full chromed out chassis. Yeah, that's pretty much it on this truck. And at the front end, as I told, this front end resembles the 72 Gran Torino. Yeah, so yeah, that's pretty much it. You have no side view mirrors, which is a disappointment, but I really like the wheels too. The silver lined wheels, it's pretty nice. So yeah, that's pretty much it on this truck, guys. So why don't we just go for the information of it? Alright then, now it is the information of the 72 Ford Ranchero, guys. So, as it is a truck, let's start off with the engine. The engine in the base, you get the 250 cubic inch 4.1 liter inline 6-cylinder. Whereas if you go for the top, you get the 429 cubic inch 7-liter V8, guys, which really has a bit of power. Not so much though. And this truck is a rear wheel drive, guys. Whereas going for the price, I just wanted to put the price there. So the price of this truck at present money, it's ranging from $10,000 to about $30,000, which ain't so expensive. Well, going for the transmission, guys, the transmission, you get two options, but there's a third option too if you want it. Where, yeah, the two options are the 4-speed manual and the 3-speed auto. And there's also a 3-speed manual in, you know, the transmission list. That is if you want it. Well, going for the horsepower, guys, in the inline 6-cylinder, you get only 155 horsepower. That is a bit less. And if you go for the 7-liter V8, you just get 212 horsepower. That's also not a lot. Well, going for the body style, guys, the body style of this truck is a 2-door coupe utility. That's pretty new, right? And time about its production. The production actually began at 1957 and it ended up at 1979, which is a pretty average production run. And time about the length. The length of this truck is 5,479 millimeters. Well, going for the width of this truck is 2,007 millimeters. Time about its weight. The current weight of this truck is actually 1,814 kilograms. That is pretty average again. And sorry to tell, guys, I couldn't find the top speed and the 0 to 60 time of this truck because it is a truck. So yeah, I'm just going to go for the ratings. This is the end of the information. So the ratings, guys, I give it an 8.5 out of 10 because of its looks and only its looks, because it's not so impressive even in the performance sector, you know. So there it is, guys. That's the end of the video. Comment your answers and also the ratings for the truck in the comment box. I'll check them out next week. Stay tuned for my next week's video too. I'll see you then. Bye-bye now. Enjoy your weekend.